Paris. Et on est là, on tient bon. Voilà. Vous connaissez cette chanson ou pas? Alors là, je vais vous laisser chanter. Allez-y, je vais commencer. When the night has come, when the land is dark, and the moon is the only light to see. Oh, I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, avancez s'il vous plaît, avancez s'il vous plaît, avancez. On va chanter ensemble, avancez s'il vous plaît, avancez s'il vous plaît, avancez. Stand by me. Et je vais faire l'autre aussi. When the sky that you look upon should tumble and fall, and the mountains should tumble to the sea. Oh, I won't be afraid. I won't shed the tears, just as long as you stand by me. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you? Oh, stand. Et là, Emilio, il aime bien cette chanson. Et là, il va vraiment nous proposer un truc en mode stand by me. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Vous voyez? En mode stand by me. Vas-y, Emilio, vas-y, en mode stand by me. Emilio! Applaudissez Emilio, s'il vous plaît! Yes! When the sky that you look upon should tumble and fall, and the mountain should tumble to the sea. Oh, I won't be afraid. I won't shed the tears, just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now, stand by me. Stand by me. Et lui, il s'appelle Gary. Lui, il s'appelle Gary. Vas-y, Gary, jouez. Applaudissez Gary, s'il vous plaît. Paris, vite, est-ce que vous êtes là? Oh, I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now, stand by me. Stand by me. Et là, c'est la dernière façon, on me dit que l'heure arrive, donc